What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am starting my day up at our Dutchess yard. Behind me here I have our landscape trailer with all of our sidewalk stuff. We have 3 Cub Cadet snowblowers, and then we have this Boss Mag, which we actually have never used. So hopefully I can make a video using this thing. This thing is super neat, and it's also a fairly expensive piece of equipment, but I need to tow all of this down to our shop today. All right, we are all strapped down and ready to go. I threw a couple more straps on this machine. It should go nowhere. I have this hitch down all the way in the bottom, and it looks pretty good, pretty level with the trailer here. This is a very nice hitch. I think I just need to put a little bit of grease on those pins to help them slide in and out when I do need to adjust it. But time to hit the road and get down to our main shop. All right, guys, I made it down here with the trailer. No issues with that. We got a few things going on inside here. We're moving a bunch of stuff around right now. Let me plug these batteries in real quick, and then we'll go over everything. It's charging. Come on. Oh, look, we got a full battery. Nice. All right, so anyway, we pulled this pressure washer out. This was tucked all the way in the back there. That's where we're putting the landscape trailer. But let me turn this on. So we need to move this Peterbilt a little bit just to get the landscape trailer to fit back there. We could barely get this Western plow out. We just pulled it out. It was also tucked in the back behind the pressure washer back here. But he's gonna pull this Peterbilt forward. Someone is. I don't know who's doing it. Maybe I am, huh? I'm not sure. Who's driving this, me or you?
He's the phone with the slit in it?
I don't have CDL. I don't have CDL for that. Look, mira, nada de CDL ni nada de dinero.
Oh my god. So we're gonna pull this forward and grab this plow out of it. That way we could tuck this truck a little bit closer. Rodrigo, all that siding there is gonna have to get moved too. Where am I putting it?
Buena pregunta, Sandro.
Maybe right there?
Yep.
All right, Ricky, hold this. exciting. What do you think? Bigger shop or less trucks? Which one?
Less trucks.
Less trucks, all right. Hey, straight. That backup alarm is loud. That should be good. Can I get out? Yeah, I should be able to fit. Dad, your plow's up. Dad, your plow is up.
Hey, what's up?
Tight squeeze. Well, hopefully I can grab this plow here. I have my phone. He said he was gonna call, right?
We're here.
I'll text him once I move this. Not exactly straight on. Oh, nice. We got it up in the air. Actually, I might need to put this outside so we can move that trailer with this machine. Hey, push this in front of that plow. Yeah, in front of the plow on the Peterbilt. All right, we got both of these trailers thrown back here. This is how they are supposed to be, really. The pressure washer we use more often than this trailer, so that's why we put this one behind it. We do have a lot of stuff back there we have to clean up still. Dad, can you just hold that bracket up real quick so we can show them? Can you hold that up real quick?
Yeah.
So we can show them. These are what we're using for the headlights on here. They're gonna get bolted right on, and then if we need to open the hood, we'll unbolt them and kind of just let them hang, because there will be a wire in there somewhere. But
Yeah, we'll bring the wire up nice and neatly inside the channel. Down here, zip tie.
obviously the headlights will be
Right.
up on the top, so one on both sides, and then if we ever need to open the hood, just unbolt those and take it out. But I need to move my pickup truck. I have it right outside the door. Rodrigo is warming up my TerraStar. He might be waiting for me. No, not yet. But we have a wrap guy coming to look at it and give us a price on wrapping the rest of our truck. So we're gonna pull it inside for him. That way we're not out in the cold dealing with that.
Let's go.
All right, so the wrap guy just left here. We showed him this wrap, and basically this is the design that we want to put on the rest of our trucks. This was wrapped in 2019, and that is why you see some spots are starting to fail on here, but we are not rewrapping this truck right now. We're gonna leave it as is. Eventually this will get rewrapped. We are gonna do the 3 other TerraStars. We have a red one, a green one, and a yellow one, so we'll have 4 TerraStars with this wrap on it. And then we are gonna do the big red International. It is a 7400, I believe. And we have a blue 7400 up at our Orange County yard. You guys have seen that if you've seen my video. So the red one, the blue one, and the 3 TerraStars are the first 5 that we are gonna do. We have to get him this image. This is a photo my father sent the guy that originally wrapped this truck. That guy went out of business, so we don't know if we're gonna be able to get the file, or if we can find this photo. He said he can recreate the wrap and reprint it for us. So we got to try and find that, and then once we send that to him, he'll send us a quote and whatnot. But I think we are more than likely going to end up working with this guy. He's super local to us. We want to work with someone local, and he said he can get it done fairly quick. So hopefully within the next couple weeks, more of our trucks will be wrapped. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.